Hey everyone, want to import Google Fonts in CSS? In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Fonts to your website using CSS step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Fonts website. Browse the font library and choose the font family you want to use. Next, open the fonts page and select the styles you need, such as regular, medium, or bold. Now copy the CSS *@ import ** code provided by Google Fonts. This code allows your style sheet to load the font automatically. Open your website's CSS file and paste the import * statement at the very top of the file. After that, apply the font by updating the ** font family * property for the elements you want to style, such as the body, headings, or buttons. Save your CSS file and refresh your website to make sure the new font is loading correctly. Finally, test your website on different browsers and devices to confirm the typography looks consistent everywhere. And that's how you import Google Fonts in CSS. With just a few lines of code, you can give your website a clean and professional appearance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.